Alright, welcome back. This is part 2 of how to send files from your iOS to a PC, Windows PC, and vice versa. The first part is where I covered everything about snapdrop.net, how to use it, and basically everything you need to know about the platform. So if you want to try that out as well, click the card on your screen right now. So for this video, I'm looking at my favorite method, which is iTunes. I've said this is my favorite method because unlike Snapdrop, it's more reliable, and that's what I'm always after, even if it means using a cable. So let's begin. So first off, on the hardware side, you're going to need a cable, either USB to Lightning or USB-C to Lightning, depending on what ports you have available on your PC. But I'll be using the USB-C to Lightning because my PC has a Thunderbolt 3 ports. Next, on the software side, you're going to need either the VLC or Google Chrome app on your iPhone, and then iTunes on your PC. I'll leave a link to where you can download iTunes in the description down below. Quick, easy, and free. Alright, so first of all, how do you send files from your iPhone to your Windows? How do you send files to iTunes from your iPhone? First, you need to save whatever it is. If it's on your gallery, then you need to save it to your Files app. But if it's on the Files app already, all you have to do is move it from a particular location or wherever it is to the VLC folder. Gallery app, you see I have the video right here. Click on Share. Save to files, you see here on my iPhone. Click that, VLC, and then click save. I could just say replay so that you guys see that it actually works. Don't forget it's on my iPhone and not iCloud Drive. On my iPhone, VLC, and there you have it. So next, you want to open up iTunes. I already have mine opened already, and you have to connect your iPhone using any of the ports you have, any of the cables you have, and just after connecting it, it should show up on my PC. Yeah, you see that little icon? Click on that, and then it's going to show you literally everything about your iPhone. What you have to do from here to get your file is to go up to file sharing, and you can see if you used Google Chrome, same method, you're going to see either Google Chrome or VLC, but I'm using VLC. So if I click on this real quick, it's going to load up real quick, and then there you have it. You have your file. All you have to do is click save. Let's take it to desktop and select, and then it's going to load up here. So I've saved the file to my laptop. If I go over to my PC, you can see it right there. Quickly, how do you send files now from, I doubt this is going to be even important, but how do you send files from your PC to your iPhone? Same method, just click, instead of save, just click add file. Maybe let's go over to videos. No, I can't use that. Let's say pictures, and say this, basically any file. Then what you have to do is click open. And if you send files from your PC to your iPhone and then you don't see the picture on your gallery, that's because you have to go back to your files, and yeah, in that same VLC file, you're going to have to hold it down, click share, and say save image, and then when you go back to your gallery, that's when it's going to appear. So yeah, finally, for the last software I want to talk about is WinX Media Trans. But I won't go over it in this video because my good friend and fellow YouTuber, you guys should check out his video. I'm going to link it on the screen right now. Anyways, leave a like on this video if you liked it or if you learned something. Subscribe for more tech and tech related videos like this. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the future, probably next week. Bye.